Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. Now you can see this red color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 458.3. What we expected yesterday was we expected copper has got the ability to stay in uptrend, having this 456 as one of the major support zone. If we compare with the previous day before previous day's analysis, we had increased the stop loss from 452 to 456. So if the price was trading below 456, we expected copper can possibly go for selling, but till then it holds good for buying. That was our expectation. Right after the price opening, you can see the market was consolidating here, because on the previous day where we witnessed was from 457 the price gave a bounce back till 459. The same thing happened yesterday. From 457 the market gave a bounce back near 459, but it found a resistance in the same way where it found a resistance on the previous day. So the price came down again. It took the support exactly near 457, where the price was pushed to 459 again. So then after the price came down in the same manner how it reacted earlier. So from 457 again 459, again from 459 it came down. It is trading in like a sine wave in a zigzag manner. Again 457, then you can see the price closed near 458 or near 459. So this is what we call as a perfect consolidation, which means that you can see the price was trading in a complete sideways direction, dominated by the support around 456. Now let us go and see the open high low close analysis. Yesterday's price opening, when we compare with the previous day's price opening, it's more or less near or equal. When we compare the yesterday's price closing, compare with the previous day's price closing, it is equal. When we compare the yesterday's price opening with the previous day's price closing, it is below that, and the price more or less the lows are the same. The price created the same low. We can consider that the high, it could not create a new high, but there was not much difference in that. Considering the price volatility, we should consider that the market failed to create a new high. So it's everything is same. If we compare the price closing equivalent to the previous day's price closing, so this is what called a consolidation phase. So what we can do today and how we can position ourselves, it all based upon where the price of copper is going to open for today. On seeing the COMEX price direction, we are expecting the copper market to open somewhere near 457 again, near the low or even below that. We are not taking the rupee factor into account, since we are posting this video presentation very earlier. We are not taking the rupee factor into account. Only based upon the COMEX price direction, we can say that the price of copper is expected to come down or open below. So what if the price opens near 457 or even below that? It indicates that the price is going to open below the previous day's price closing, and also price is going to open below the previous day's price opening, and also below the day before previous day's price closing and opening, and also near the low of all the previous 2 days. So that gives us a clear indication, or this gives a signal for us, stating that the price has some weakening on the buying side, because normally it should have created like what we explained, what we saw earlier. Whenever the price was trading near 456, surely the price of copper is really struggling to find a momentum so that it can test this our expected 462 zone, but it is slowly and steadily losing some momentum. That was the reason we decreased our stop loss from 452 to 456. Now if the price is opening near 457, it can encourage some sellers and it can discourage some buyers. So closely watch this 456 very carefully. If the price is coming down below 456, it will be inducing some selling. So today what we expect was, today for buyers the price should take some support near 456 without breaking it, like what it happened earlier. Without breaking 456, it needs to take some support here, and then we need a price closing above the 2 days price closing near 400, above 459, so that it can encourage a lot of buyers to push the price higher. But if it happens in the other way, if the copper price is breaking 456, and if it is going to put a closing below 456, surely it will encourage sellers, so that the price will come and test 452 again. By then it can also test 450, 446 also. So this is going to be a very crucial zone for copper traders. Please put a lot of concentration here, and our Goodwill Commodities today you can expect very clearly our charting platform is going to provide you an excellent solution for your trading also. So today, whenever the price is coming down or testing this 456, by default it will show you automatically a sell signal, or if it is going to take a support here, it has got the ability to show you some buy signals also, based upon the timely price momentum where it's going. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.